So this hater is in for its winter service in the workshop. So we'll be doing the engine service on it, we'll be doing the deck service, and we'll be looking at the rear roller and just making sure that it is all ready to go, ready for the cutting season come March, April time. So Struan, if we were giving some customers some advice before they take their lawnmowers out to use them, if they've not brought them in for service to us, what's the most important thing that they should do?
First thing you do is make sure that you have oil on your dipstick, okay, and it's up to the correct mark, okay. If it's a bit black, it's probably time for a service, okay. Next thing to do is check the fuel. Hopefully you have run out of fuel at the end of last season. Clean down the machine and put it away so that you can put fresh fuel, so it's the newest fuel to put in the tank.
If you were to take a mower out of your garden shed and you couldn't get it started, what should you do?
So we've put fresh fuel in it. Make sure you've given it a few pulls and it hasn't started. Make sure you take the spark plug out, have a wee look at it, clean it, and then put it back in. If you can, buy a new spark plug, put it back in and try again, okay? And if it doesn't work after that, come to Fraser C. Robb's and we can help you out.
So just some handy tips from us here at Fraser Robb's of some things to think about when you're taking your machine out before you cut the grass. But most importantly, when you, at the end of the season, always try and wash down your machine and empty out all the fuel ready for the new year.